This is Project Dodgy, an E.C.D custom Defender 110, built to our client's exact specification. Dodgy is painted in full gloss Aintree green with black accents all around. Dodgy sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 satin black wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a tubular A-bar front bumper with worn winch, 6-point full external roll cage, 4 LED round spotlights up front and 2 in the rear. Inside, Dodgy features a Momo Pro TPO black spoke steering wheel with vintage gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcat front and mid-row seats, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the rear. Each seat is finished in a honeycomb Garrett Berkshire bone and cadence truffle leather, stitched together in beige. This 110 is powered by our LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. Dodgy also features an array of modern touches such as Infinity Kappa audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to USB ports throughout. Project Dodgy is a superbly put together modern interpretation of this classic vehicle. The Aintree green pairs very well with the tan and brown interior and features many subtle upgrades which bring this vehicle into the 21st century. Another great build and credit to the owner who's designed it.